Standard 4th. Subject Civics. EVS 1. Chapter 18. Changes in the family and neighborhood. Children will live in a family. The member of family does not remain same. How and why? Because if a baby is born in a family, then the members in family increases. And if someone dies, then the members in family decreases. So the members in a family does not remain same. Now, in search of jobs, occupation or education, people travel from one place to another. Now moving from one place to another is called as migration. Now children, changes does not happen only in a family, but also it occurs in entire society. Now this is something interesting. Not only human travel from one place to another, or not only human migrate from one place to another, but also birds travel from one place to another in search of food. Now flamingos migrate in search of food in several places in Maharashtra from October to March. Now children, assume as if one of our family member has gone to other place, that is abroad, and if you want to contact them, how you will contact? Now earlier how people used to contact through letters or telephone, and now due to fastest mode people can contact any person living in abroad through fraction minute of time. Due to internet, world has come closer. Now children, we will come back to ancient time. When man took up agriculture for his livelihood, he settled down in one place because agriculture was his earning source. Now to work in agriculture or in field, we need a lot of people and their support. For this, many relations stayed together, which formed a big family. Now children, during those days, all family stayed in one house. As family grew, they did not got enough place to stay. So some people got separated from big families to small families. Earlier, people had many siblings, but now we are just 2 or 3 in one family. Many people migrated from our country to foreign countries in search of job or maybe education. And that's the reason family system is changing. The mindset of people has been changed from big families to small families. I hope children, you all understood the lesson. Thank you.